Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another ultimate review by Purecast 9. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my review of the Tribit XSound Go. Now I know you've seen numerous reviews of this already. I know I'm late to the game, but if you're watching this, it's because you trust my verdict. And I'm going to give you the most brutally honest review of the Tribit XSound Go. Now, I was expecting the speaker to be bigger, but I was surprised as to how compact this is. But even being so small, it feels dense and it feels really premium in the hand. I know I've reviewed many speakers, but this stands out because it feels premium. It's got that bit of weight to it and it's got a matte finish, a tough grill up front. It feels good. In terms of specs, it is a 12 watt RMS speaker, so it's got dual 6 watt drivers, a passive bass radiator at the center. It packs 44 milliamp hour battery inside, which is quite huge for a speaker of this size. It's IPX7 water and dust resistant. It's got inbuilt microphone for you to answer your calls. No FM, but it's got an aux port if you want to connect a non-Bluetooth source, and it charges via micro USB. So spec wise, pretty standard and nothing bad. Battery life, they claim 24 hours, but that is not at 100% volume. I guess that's around 50 to 60% volume, but anyhow, even if you play it at 70% volume, you are good to get really good battery life. Specs aside, the real thing that is going to decide whether you're going to get the speaker is the sound. How does it perform? So before I give you my verdict, I'm going to play 2 tracks. You guys listen, form your judgment, and once we are done, I'm going to come back and give you my verdict as to how it sounds and whether it is worthy of your money. So let's get straight into the sound test. So there you have it guys. That was the sound test of the Tribit XSound Go. Now I know these sound tests don't really do justice because I hear them in person and you're listening to them through your speaker or earphone. I have to just say that being such a compact and small speaker, Tribit really surprised me. And it surprised me not with power, but it surprised me with quality. Now I judge sound, as you have seen, that I divide the sound reproduced by a speaker into the highs, the mids and the lows. That is what broadly makes up any sound that you hear. So in terms of the highs, the Tribit XSound Go produces beautiful, balanced, clear highs that never distort on full volume, and I played that. The sound test that you heard was at full volume, and there was not a single track, even in my testing, on a wide genre of music. It did not distort even once. There was no crackling, no distortion, nothing. Beautiful highs that are not overemphasized, not over-sharpened, don't harm your ears, and don't sound unpleasant for prolonged listening sessions. So highs, beautiful. Mids, where the vocals lie, again, excellent rendition of mids. The vocals are crisp and clear, no extra emphasis that they sound hollow. It maintains the warmth and normal tonality of any vocal signature that you hear, and there is beautiful separation between the highs and the mids and the lows. Speaking of the lows or the bass, this is not an excessively boomy bass heavy speaker, but it gives you just the right amount of bass. I wouldn't say it is practically made for a bass head, but by no means is the bass absent. It is just right. It sounds beautiful. Like I said, there is clear separation between the three frequencies. All in all, very nice listening experience. So highs, mids, lows, very good, especially the highs and the mids, accompanied by really good lows. So in terms of sound, this definitely gets a 4.8 out of 5 because no speaker is perfect, let's face it. Now, one good thing is I've been also watching a couple of movies and YouTube videos using this speaker as the primary sound source, and relaying sound from my iPad or my phone through the speaker. I would say there was minimal or almost no lag or latency. I wouldn't say it was absent. There is a bit of lag, but it's not as bad as other speakers. So in terms of watching movies or any YouTube videos, the experience was good. There was minimal lag, and yeah, it was really enjoyable. So does the Tribit XSound Go get my seal of buy with confidence? Absolutely. The Tribit XSound Go really has paid attention to sound quality. No gimmicks whatsoever. Solid sound, pristine sound, which sounds very good, and it's at the level where it can easily compete with Sony and JBL as well. So yeah, it's that good. And on top of that, the IPX7 rating, which means it's literally waterproof and it's adventure ready, and with the inbuilt microphone for you to take calls and the massive 4400 mAh battery, it's the entire package. So definitely worth your money. So the link to this is in the description below if you do decide to buy the speaker, and I would really suggest that you do, in case you want something so compact and something that sounds so good. Use the link in the description because it will help me run this channel and I can produce more and more content just for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like on the way out, subscribe to Purecast 9 today, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.